Jon Stewart Green Lantern books.
Yes. I think one of the first it was one of those like fun facts about characters that I read about Jon Stewart. When they created his character, he's essentially like one of the first, if maybe the only Green Lantern who doesn't wear like a mask.
Yeah,
you know,
that
that green overlay on his eyes. And when the character has been asked like, why don't you do that? Why don't you wear a mask? He was just like, because this black man lets it all hang out. It's just like,
okay.
I was like, wow, that's badass.
Yeah,
like,
that is badass.
It's like, I put on the mask, they're still going to know I'm black.
Yeah.
So, whatever.
Holy shit. Like, wow, man. It really, like I always thought Jon Stewart was really cool because I'd only seen him through the Justice League TV show. Mm-hmm. But, I never really approached it from... And even the Justice League TV show was pushing a little boundaries.
Yeah.
Especially if it's like, holy shit, it's an interracial relationship with Hawkgirl. Like, I
think that counts as interspecies relationship.
Oh yeah, because she's a bird. I wonder if when he goes down on her, like he spits out feathers.
Jeez. Oh.
Like it just went. I got into a really like vicious pillow fight.
Oh man! Or he comes up choking like, oh. She's like, "Baby, are you okay?" Spits out an egg.
Obviously, you came first.
Oh man! All right, now I'm gonna get a little disgusting. Do you think Hawkgirl like gets really aggressive sometimes and just like eggs in his face, like like just
gives it to him scrambled?
Yeah, just like there you go, some bird bukkake for you. So that's disgusting. It's disgusting. I apologize.
No, you don't.
No, I don't. I really don't.